Welcome, today in front of me Honor 20E, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Here, as can you see, we got media, ringtone, alarms and calls volume panels, and just you can change the volume of all these medias, ringtones and alarms. Also you can here enable or disable the silent mode on your device just by tap once on the switcher. Also we can here turn on or turn off the vibrate in silence mode. Here also we got the default volume control button, and you can switch here the media volume to the ringtone, and when you just press your volume buttons you will change the media or ringtone volume. Also here we got the don't disturb mode, you can turn it on or turn it off. Here also you can set the different ringtones to the SIMs, because this device got the 2 SIM slots, so you can just select the another sounds from each of the SIM card. Here also you can just change the notification sound, and I will go to the more sound settings. And here you can enable or disable vibration on touch, so when you will just touch your screen you will feel the vibration. Also here we got the screen lock, screenshot and screen touch sounds, where you just turn them on or turn them off, these switchers, these options. And here also you get the keypad tones. You can just set here on your keypad the sound. And now when we'll go to the phone application, you can hear the sound, and also you can set the melody here, or also you can just turn it off. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.